How to earn money online without a degree in 2026. How to earn money online without a degree is one of the most searched questions right now, and for good reason. In 2026, the traditional path of go to college, then get degree, then get job is no longer the only or even the best route for millions of people. Companies, clients, and platforms care far more about what you can actually do, how fast you deliver, and the results you produce than a piece of paper on your wall. Whether you're 18 and skipping college, 30 and burned out from a dead-end job, or 45 looking for a career reset, the internet has democratized earning potential like never before. You can start today with a laptop or phone, free tools and skills you already have or can learn in weeks, not years. This guide is going to be extremely thorough because I want you to walk away with a clear, actionable roadmap. We'll cover the highest paying realistic methods in 2026 that require no college degree, no prior professional experience in many cases, and little to no upfront money. We'll look at earnings timelines, platforms that actually pay, step-by-step setup, skill-building paths, safety and tax basics, common failure points, and how to scale from side hustle to full-time income. Let's go. 1. The mindset shift. Why degrees matter less in 2026. Before tactics, understand the landscape. Hiring managers, freelance clients, and algorithm-driven platforms judge you on portfolio/proof of work, reviews/ratings, speed and reliability communication, niche expertise, not transcripts. The explosion of remote work, gig economy, creator economy, and AI tools has removed gatekeepers. Companies like Google, Apple, IBM, and Shopify publicly state they no longer require degrees for many roles. Freelance marketplaces don't even ask for education. Viewer-based platforms reward entertainment plus consistency over credentials. This is why how to earn money online without a degree is realistic and growing fast. 2. Fastest entry-level methods. These require almost no skill building time and pay within 1 to 4 weeks. Paid surveys, Microtasks, and user testing platforms, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Prolific, Free Cash, user testing, Trimata, user feel, Respondent, respondent.io. How it works. Answer surveys, test websites/apps by recording screen plus voice, complete microtasks. Payout 50 cents to $5 per survey, $5 to $60 per usability test. Realistic earnings, $100 to $600 per month at 1 to 2 hours per day. Start today, sign up, complete profile 100% honestly, prioritize high-paying tasks. Use multiple sites. Cash out via PayPal/gift cards. CAPTCHA solving and simple data entry platforms. 2 CAPTCHA, Coloti Bablo, Megatypers, Remotasks. Earnings, 50 cents to $2 per hour. Good for background income while learning better methods. Game and app testing. Playtest Cloud, Beta Family, User Latix. Record gameplay/feedback. $5 to $30 per 15 to 30-minute test. Teens and adults without degrees do this daily. 3. Freelancing. The highest ceiling. Without a degree, freelancing is where most people who earn $3,000 to $15,000 plus per month online without degrees live. You sell services based on skills you already have or can learn free in 2 to 8 weeks. Top platforms in 2026. Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, Contra Reddit, Discord communities, and Facebook groups. High demand, no degree needed services right now. AI prompt engineering and content generation use. Free chat GPT, Grok, Claude, Gemini. Offer. Blog posts, social captions, email copy, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, AI art prompts. Pricing. Start $10 to $30 per job to $50 to $300 after reviews. Learning curve. 1 to 3 weeks watching YouTube tutorials. Earnings potential. $1,000 to $8,000 plus dollars per month full-time. Video editing, edit TikTok/Reels/Shorts using free CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Huge demand from creators. Pricing, $15 to $50 per short video to $100 to $500 for longer edits. Learn. Free YouTube courses. Earnings: $500 to $5,000 plus per month once you have 20 to 30 good reviews. Graphic design thumbnails, logos, social posts, Etsy printables, YouTube banners. Pricing: $10 to $50 per design to $100 to $400 for packages. Tool: free Canva Pro trial to Canva. Learn Canva's own tutorials plus YouTube. Social media management/posting. Schedule posts, reply to comments, grow accounts for small businesses. Pricing: $200 to $800 per month per client. Tool: free Buffer/Later/Meta Business Suite. Virtual assistants/admin email management, calendar, research, data entry, customer support. Pricing: $15 to $35 per hour. Clients: entrepreneurs on Upwork/Fiverr. Copywriting/sales pages. Product descriptions, email sequences, ad copy. Pricing: $50 to $500 per project. Learn free copy hackers resources plus YouTube, step by step to start freelancing without a degree. Pick 1 to 2 services you can deliver decently in 2 to 4 weeks. Create free profiles on Fiverr plus Upwork. Use professional photo, clear bio. Make 3 to 5 portfolio samples. Price low for first 5 to 10 gigs to get 5-star reviews. Deliver fast plus over-communicate. Ask for reviews. Raise prices 20 to 50% every 5 to 10 good reviews. Specialize to charge premium. 4. Content creation and short-form video. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Snapchat Spotlight, Facebook Reels. Monetization paths in 2026. Platform ad revenue/bonuses, brand deals and sponsorships, affiliate commissions, digital products, live gifts/super chats, merch/Patreon/Ko-Fi viral niches right now. Personal finance/side hustle tips, life hacks/productivity, budget cooking/meal prep, fitness at home, gaming highlights, thrift flips/reselling, study with me/student life tech, gadget reviews, motivation/mindset, how to go viral and monetize, hook in 0 to 3 seconds, high retention, post 5 to 7 times per week, use trending audio plus your voiceover, analyze analytics weekly, double down on winners, cross-post 1 video to all platforms, engage every comment first 24 hours, realistic earnings, 0 to 3 months, $0 to $300, 4 to 8 months, $500 to $3,000, 9 to 18 months, $4,000 to $20,000 plus per month, 5. Other strong no-degree paths: online tutoring/coaching, transcription/captioning, proofreading/editing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, dropshipping light stock, photography/AI art. 6. Safety, taxes, and scaling safety. Never pay to join anything. Use parent-linked PayPal if under 18. Avoid sharing personal info. Research every platform. Taxes. U.S. report $600 plus on 1099. Set aside 25 to 30%. Track everything in free Google Sheet. Scaling. Specialize deeply. Build email lists/Discord early. Create own digital products. Hire subcontractors once earning $3,000 plus per month. Diversify. How to earn money online without a degree is no longer a dream. It's a proven path in 2026. Thousands are doing it right now without ever stepping foot in a classroom after high school. Pick one method today. Spend 1 to 2 hours researching and setting up. Commit to 30 to 60 days of consistent action before judging. Track weekly progress. If this gave you clarity and a starting point, follow my channel right now for weekly no-degree income updates, platform changes, case studies, and step-by-step tutorials. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. Which method are you starting first? I read and reply to as many as possible. Thanks for watching this far. You're already ahead of most people. Go take that first step today. See you in the next video. Keep building.